Hey, so do wooden grill scrapers work? Do wood grill scrapers work? Those are tools for grill cleaning. Do they actually work, or is it just a gimmick? Well, they do work for grill cleaning. If you want to see a proof, check out the description. There's a video, there's a few videos in fact, that show you how to use such a tool and how it works and how it actually cleans the grill. There, the tool called Wooden Grill Scraper by Easy Function is shown in action, and how it actually works from idea of a wooden grill scraper to the wooden grill scraper actually working. So check out those videos, and also check out links to the Easy Function wooden grill scraper in the description of the video on Amazon USA and Canada. And yeah, those tools work. You can read reviews. I would say that a common mistake of why it wouldn't work is that people don't do the instructions right. So I'll read the instructions to you, or tell the instructions to you rather. Well, a wooden grill scraper is a wooden tool that is supposed to clean a grill. And why generally would use it? Because there are no bristles, so it's a safer alternative to wire brushes. So that's why it's still a nice way to clean, because it cleans, plus it's less full with bristles. Actually, there are no bristles, it's just a piece of wood. So people get it wrong when they try to use it and it doesn't work for them. Why? So you have to have some little patience. Because first you need to make the tool ready for grill cleaning. So you put the tool on hot grates of your grill, you preheat the grill, and then you move the tool back and forth on the grates. And that will create little trenches in the wooden grill scraper, and it will actually clean your grill because the trenches will catch the form of the grates. And that's where people get it wrong, because they try to just use it, somehow it scrapes maybe some of the top of the grates, and that's nice, but you want to kind of clean more in between and make a good clean, right? So put the tool on a hot grill, move it back and forth, you'll see like smoke coming out a little bit of the wood, and the trenches will form, you'll see them. Okay, and just keep at it. It will take, it depends on the heat of your grill, preheat it really well, and apply some pressure. Of course, be cautious, like don't break the tool. These are pretty sturdy, but I think you'll do it well. So just form the trenches, and for next cleanings you could use the tool as it is, because the trenches will already be there within the wooden grill scraper. But still, preheat the grill. It makes it easier to clean the grill when it's preheated with all sorts of brushes. If you just clean on cold grills, it's harder. Just preheat the grill, and this way it's going to be easier for cleaning. Okay, so again, the Easy Function wooden grill scraper is down in the description. You'll see a video that shows you how to use it, and in fact a few videos even from different people here on YouTube as well. And the link to the tool itself, if you want to invest in it and enjoy some nice barbecue sessions and cleaning, then it's in the description on Amazon USA Canada. What's really cool about it as well, like there's a little fun addition rather. It's called a bottle opener. So it's on the grill scraper, and you have a bottle opener there basically. If you want to pop a cold one when you're grilling, do it. Do it, yeah. You will be able to enjoy a nice beverage of your preference, whatever you like to drink, with the tool itself. So it's like you just you can see it on the videos, right? Yeah, just use the bottle opener to pop a cold one. Nice little addition, but I think it makes it more fun. Barbecue is about fun, about connection. It's nice to eat well too. So, and then having your grill clean, it's a good idea as well. So yeah, do wooden grill scrapers work? They do. Avoid this one mistake of making it ready for work, and also make sure that it fits your grill. So it won't work for well, it can pretty much be like the trenches can form pretty much in any grate on a good temperature, but it's going to be easier for specific grill grates that you can maybe see in those videos that feature the tool, because you have to apply pressure and move the tool back and forth for the trenches on the wooden grill scraper to form. So if your shape of the grill does not allow that, it's going to be difficult. So That's why you should watch some of these videos, get the idea before you buy, because then you understand if it works for you or not. And then, of course, you won't have to return it or whatever if you're not happy about it. So see if it's for you, try it out. If you want to give it as a gift, it's a good idea too. It comes in a nice box. The Easy Function wood then grill scraper comes in a nice gift box. Again, links to Amazon USA and Canada are in the description. Invest in the tool and have a nice barbecue session and good life.